Allie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. If you guys would like to see an entire video on how I did this, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. This is my going out to the bars to have fun look, and that is exactly what I'm doing after I film this. So if you would like to see that, let me know. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow routine. I did one of these 2 or 3 years ago, and you all seem to like it, and I figured since I have an entirely new eyebrow routine that I would do a new one for you guys. I am definitely a lot better now at filling in my eyebrows than I was in that video, and without further ado, let's get started. So in terms of my eyebrows and the products I use lately, all the products I've been using have come from a company called CHELLA. I've been using them for years, and I even used them in my previous video. And what's great is they actually have these kits that allow you to fill, shape, define, and highlight every aspect of your brows. And the shade I'm in is Dazzling Dark Brown, obviously since my hair is dark brown. And in the kit, you get the eyebrow cream, which is double-ended and also comes with a brush. You get the clear defining gel, a sharpener, as well as a highlighter. And the highlighter I have is in the color Ivory Lace, and I've been using this one for years now. And another product from CHELLA that I like to use is just their eyebrow pencil, and again, it is in the color Dazzling Dark Brown. So the first thing I do is take a spoolie and brush out my eyebrows. Then I like to take the pencil and simply outline my eyebrows so that I have a little bit of a template to work with. Next, I go in with the eyebrow cream and simply fill in any sparse areas of my eyebrows, and I try to do the whole ombre effect where it's a lot lighter towards the inner part of your brows and darker towards the tails. And then to set the eyebrow cream, I like to use the clear defining gel, and then to finish it off, I like to go in and highlight my brow bone, and to do that, I just take the Ivory Lace highlighter, place it under my brows, and then blend it out. And that is how I do my eyebrows. It is as simple as that. It does involve a bunch of different products, however, they are from the same company and easy to get. I highly recommend checking CHELLA out, and I actually have a coupon code for you guys to use on the CHELLA website, and it will save you 20% off, so be sure to use the link that I have in the description box. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys would like me to do a going out to the bars to have fun, get ready with me look, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Allie Paca squad. I upload new videos every week. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!